Oh!
You can't see it. There you go.
Oh! Batman!
What?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Just filming.
What?
Filming Sam in his natural habitat. I want that to go off. I want that to go off.
It won't because I didn't reply.
There you go. It's just as annoying. Stonehenge! What we found in your bag, Sam?
Gotta do my blood test.
Oh, your blood test. See if you're able to. You're not able to donate, are you?
Pardon?
You're not able to donate, are you? Whoa, runners! Whoa! Why would you want to donate blood? Because you could be saving some arseholes, like
It's true.
Billy Mitchell. I wouldn't save him.
He's not real.
Yeah, he is. I'd save Phil Mitchell though.
Pardon?
I'd say Phil Mitchell. He's a top man. He's top notch. Trees, motherfucker. Who would tie their bike up there? Seriously. Whoop whoop. I want to film the sheep. God damn it, I thought I missed them. I did miss them. Oh my god, I didn't miss them. No, I didn't. Oh my god. Huh? There's more. You can't see him on the camera, there's no sheep.
I think you missed him.
I did miss them. Women. Check it out on Wiki!
Remember to Wikipedia pencils.
Huh?
Remember to Wikipedia pencils.
I will, I've written a note down of Wikipedia and pencil.
Good. You can set an
Which
alarm
one's it?
for like 10 o'clock tonight when you know you're going to be sitting on the computer.
Whoa, I might not know Jade's around here. Do you want to go off now or one after? Oh, one after actually. Oh my god, I hate it when I press zoom in and zoom out and it zooms in and out. Oh my god, I'm just leave it. What the fuck's happening?
They
Oh my
use
god.
videos of gigs on YouTube and then when they zoom in the sound goes.
I've never had that, but
I have.
I kind of, if it's their shit quality, I kind of just go, you know what? Yeah.
Someone where the quality's alright, when they zoom in the sound goes. And then it's when it's...
Hiya, Georgie. My boat! My boat! Tom goes up, Tom goes down, Tom goes mainly round and around, Tom goes up, Tom goes down, Tom goes mainly round and around. You know that song?
Nope.
I've slightly changed it a bit to fit my... Yeah, it does sound quiet.
That's what I mean, it's fucking loud.
The bus is really loud. Outside later it was quite quiet. Maybe there's like an auditory dismemberment thing in Whitstable, like a bubble. Whitstable, oh my god! It's a sign!
That's why I like it, 'cause it's like mad as soon as it's out.
Let everyone know who they're dealing with. Maybe the fact, whatever he says, they're giving this a squeeze. He remembers falling his fat ass. Give it here, Malfoy! Wow! Wow!
How's it going?
See me now! See me now!
Is that one line?
See me now! That's what I took from that. Sam, see me now. Ooh. I've got to get recycling out today. And again. Bet you're hearing lines all the time, aren't you?
I'm
bar
doing
after
lines
bar
all the
after
time.
bar.
I'm spitting lines all the time.
Spitting lines bar after bar like a gnome or something. Holding the D. Go on, do it.
Do what?
Him.
Ah!
I dare you.
It won't, because for some reason it's not sending the text.
Does it? I don't get it. I'm gonna fucking go crazy. Yes! Yeah.
Saw him just dart out.
Can't see shit.
Boil 'em.
Mash him, stick him in a stew.